Hello friends, this is Parsh Gupta. So today we are going to continue our logo which I left in my previous part. So today we are going to continue it. So let's begin. I will do it white. White. Where is white? Here is white. Then white done. Now I'll do it red. Red is here. What happened? What happened? Done. Now I'll change its color to a blue. Blue, blue. Yeah. And what's the font? Font. Here are some font options. You can do anyone you like. I want to do which do I do? Hmm, This one is good, but I am just looking if someone is better than this. No. Okay, so I want to a little bit edit it like I want to do capital M and capital R. Okay, now done on Rockstar. Now I'll do it this one, not background, yeah, this a little bit up. Okay, now this also I'll do up. Now this also. Yes, done. Now I add subscribe. Find free photos. Subscribe. Okay. Subscribe. Enter. So I will do this one. I'll make it small so that it fits here. Yeah. Now good. Looking great. What should I add? Okay, we can add logo. I have a previous not logo. I will add it here, but I will take it upwards and increase the size of it. It's my older logo, as you can see. It is also of icons. Like this is icon. This is also of icon. It is on nature and it is on YouTube because I want to paste or put it on the YouTube channel photo. That thing. So I will add a photo of mine. Fine. Upload photo. We'll go on upload photo and we will select the photo you want to. Okay. Open. So it's loading. Now I have opened my image. I have saved in saved it in my folder because it's necessary. My school teacher asks anytime. I will do it bigger, and now I'll add text. Text to this one point is good. I will edit it. We can edit it by here. It's written. Everything will be okay. So I'll write here. Yeah. Do your IT project with me. Okay, done. Oh, sorry. Click on done. Now we can do it smaller as you want. Yeah, we can change the color of this. We can change the color. So I want it in blue only because the text looks good in blue mostly, and my favorite colors are also blue, blue, blue. This one, yeah, this is the same color. want that one only. Now I'll add an icon in which I'll type arrow, this side, arrow, yeah, oh, yeah, a little bit, yes. Now I'll add a bell. So it will look like subscribe and then click on bell. So I have to click on icons and again delete and type bell. Now it's showing for bell. I'll click this one. I like this one. I will also change the color. Don't worry. I will also change the color because I have to. Black is not looking good. Color will, this will color red. This color, tell me, light blue, no. Here, something, no. Red, red, let's do it red, red. So friends, I was able to make this much video as in which I make video. It was this limit only. So I made this much and I hope you liked it. So till my next video, bye bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you subscribe, please click on the bell icon which is on the right side of subscribe button. Okay. So till my next video, bye bye.